Guys, here we go. We've got a 4-pack break of the 2007 Absolute Memorabilia. Let's see if we can pull something good out of these. Oh, wow, there's a nice patch card from Jim Kelly of the Buffalo Bills. So we've got 3 solid colors on that one. That is 11 of 25. Nice one there. So we've got a spectrum there of Clinton Portis, 52 of 100. And nice NFL there, Marshawn Lynch. Looks like we've got the football from the event used football on that one. That's numbered 146 of 849. Real Absolute. Looks like we got a redemption here, and that is the autographed rookies number 203. Just to take a look on the checklist, find out who that one is. Last pack. Got a liner. Tools of the Trade, Chad Lewis. And there's a really nice War Room patch of Dwayne Jarrett from the Carolina Panthers. Looks like we've got some stitching there right on that. Gray and blue. That is number 38 of 50. Nice one there. And looks like 203 is Alan Branch.